If you're going to learn something new, you need a plan. You need a sequence, a logical sequence to follow throughout the process of learning. You need to know what are the big ideas of that particular subject or content that you're going to learn. And also, you need a calendar. You need to set up a calendar with a specific time to achieve your goals. If you have those components, you are ready to start learning. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a plan, a calendar, how to use it to learn calculus. Many people, they said, I will never learn calculus. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you the framework, the structure of a plan of a study to learn calculus in 16 weeks. Let's dive into it. Suppose that you are going to start the plan. You need to know what are the elements or what are the concepts or what are the ideas, or what are the mathematics that you are going to be learning. So in a calculus course, you are going to learn three big ideas. One of them is limit, the other one is derivative, and the other one is integral. So it's an important component to know what the limit is, visualization, what the derivative is, visualization, and what is the integration in terms of area, in terms of accumulation. So you need to know that firsthand. I will be learning derivative. I'm going to master derivative. I'm going to learn limits. I'm going to master limit. I'm going to learn integration. I'm going to master integrations. Three elements that will be first day or before the first day in your head, right there. In that sequence that you see on the board, that sequence that you see on your screen, limit, approaching a value, derivative, rates, instantaneous rates, slope, integration area. These are the three main components of every calculus course. Let's see what is next. If you want to be effective learning, you need a plan. What is the plan? A plan is a logic, it's a sequence that you are going to have a discipline, a powerful discipline to follow. How can we use this plan? So separate, let's say that we have 16 weeks to learn calculus, no more, no less. Maybe we need extra weeks, but we are going to learn or we are going to create a powerful foundation for calculus. So what is this plan? The plan is this logical sequence of my personal study, because I will be doing by myself too. So watch. That's number one. You need to watch someone doing it. You need to see a pattern. You need to see someone that really knows what you're going to learn. That watching stage of the learning process is fundamental, is critical. So you watch someone explaining, let's say, limit. What is the second part? You need to read the content associated with that particular topic, let's say, limit. Then you are going to review examples. And finally, that process, that final stage will be connecting with you, where you as an individual, with you as a learner, you are going to do it by yourself. But you cannot skip a steps. You cannot escape stages of the learning process. I want to watch because I want to imitate in number 4. So number 1 is learning from an expert. Number 2 is me reading the content and trying to get connection with my tutor, with my teacher, with my facilitator. And number 3, let me see how the procedure is about this particular topic. Let me see classic examples. Let me see classic ways to do it. This is the how. And finally, is when you have the total time to dive into that particular topic by yourself. So don't forget this for every content that you're going to learn. You need to watch because you're going to imitate. You need to read because you need conceptual understandings. You need to know procedures because you need to know how to do it. And finally, the number 4, the practice is you by yourself. And we have the sequence of learning. We know the main idea. We need the calendar, the 16-week calendar. And it's important to establish one particular amount of time to complete, to achieve our goal. This is important. You can create more, a calendar with 20 weeks or 24 weeks. This is something that you can manage. You can be flexible. But I create this 16-week calendar because this is more or less a semester course. And that's why I put 16-week calendar. Okay, you have it right there in front of you. Week number 1, limit. Okay, but what I need to know about limits? I want to click here and you have the learning target for that particular week. It's a unit 1, 6 to 8 hours, and introducing calculus, defining limit and notation, estimating limit from graph and tables, estimating limit using algebraic properties, algebraic manipulation, limit of composite functions, selecting procedures, the squeeze theorems. This is the topics of that week. So we have here the definition of limit, the one-side limit, the indeterminate form, the limit does not exist at all. And we have here, for example, key theorems and rules like the law of limit, the squeeze theorems, a working example right here, and a practice problem with the answer. In this particular analysis, you have everything. You have the plan, you have the learning targets, you have the vocabulary, you have working example, you have the theorems, you have a practice problem. So you have the 4 basic sequence the 4 stages that we are going to follow throughout the process of learning this particular subject. So this is week number 1. So we have week number 2. So in week number 2, we have the same. It's a format. Topics this week: connecting multiple representations, exploring types of discontinuity. Boom, 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 boom. You have the vocabulary here, which is what is the meaning of a function to be continuous. When do we have a removable discontinuity? When we have a jump, when we have a horizontal asymptote, when we have a vertical asymptote. We have different theorems here, the intermediate value theorems. We have a working example, we have a practice problems with the answer. Next week, we have the same. We start with derivative, we start with the definition, we start with the meaning, we start with the vocabulary, we start with important theorems like the relationship between differentiation and continuity. And we have the power rule. We have a question, and when you apply the definition of derivative, you have a practice problems with the answer. So this is the idea. A very well organized calendar for you to target the entire course. Wonderful. This is amazing. So remember, as a summary, if you're going to learn something, you need a plan. And if you need a plan, you need a specific number of days or weeks in which you're going to accomplish your goals. So you need to know what are the big ideas. What are you are going to learn? I'm going to be learning limit, derivative, and integration. What else? I need my plan, my logical, pedagogical sequence. I need to watch someone doing calculus, explaining calculus. I need to read content. I need to see worker examples. I need to dive in and do my practice. This is the plan. And finally, your calendar. You can adjust your calendars, of course, because if you cannot follow the pace, because this is self-paced. So you can extend it, but the idea is that in week number 6, you know where you're going and you know what is the topics of the weeks. You know the learning targets. So if you like to access this particular plan, you can join Math Topics. For a small amount of money, you will have access to this plan, and I will be guiding you through the process of learning in a very direct conversation. So you will have access to my email, personal email, and you can talk to me. So if you like this video and videos like this in which I can help you learn, just give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget that we have a beautiful website that is updated constantly with calculus topics, algebra topics, geometry topics, mathematics topics. Also, we have a newsletter every week. Every Monday, you are going to have access to your news about mathematics, news about science, I target different topics. So don't forget to visit our website and read the newsletter. Thank you so much, and I love you.